Bem-vindo ao Magic English Tales.
The Lost Puppy. Tom is a young boy. He lives in a small house with his family. One day, he walks to the park. The sun is bright and the birds sing. Suddenly, Tom hears a soft sound. Woof! Woof! He looks around and sees a small puppy under a bench. The puppy looks scared. "Hello, little dog," Tom says. "Are you lost?" The puppy moves its tail slowly. Tom feels sad. He wants to help. Tom takes the puppy in his arms and walks around the park. He asks people, "Is this your dog?" But no one knows the puppy. After some time, a girl runs to Tom. "My puppy! Thank you," she says with a big smile. Tom feels happy. He gives the puppy back. "Thank you for helping him," the girl says. Tom smiles and says, "I'm happy to help." Tom learns that helping others is very important.
É hora do quiz! Vocês estão prontos? E a palavra é...